Hello and welcome. In this video we look at one of the most powerful and sometimes misunderstood concepts in education, namely the zone of proximal development, or the ZPD. It was first proposed by Soviet psychologist Lev Vygotsky and has had huge implications for how we teach, how we scaffold learning, and how we build classroom interaction. The zone of proximal development refers to the space between what a learner can do, unaided, and what they can do with guidance or collaboration. In simple terms, it's the sweet spot for learning, not too easy and not too hard. Imagine 3 circles, so the innermost, things the students can do already independently. The next ring, things they can't do yet, even with help, that's beyond their current reach. And in the middle, that's the ZPD, tasks that they can do with appropriate support. That support, often temporary, is what we call scaffolding, and it's here that real development happens. In English language teaching, the ZPD is not abstract theory, it's central to how we help students grow. Let's take an example. So let's say you have a B1 student who struggles to use the second conditional fluently. Alone they can't produce it accurately, but with a well-designed prompt, a sentence frame, or a model answer from a peer, they can produce it. Maybe not perfectly, but meaningfully. That's their ZPD in action. When we provide sentence stems, gesture-based support, guided peer interaction, reformulation of errors, or simple recasts during a task, we're operating inside the ZPD. Now here's the key. Scaffolding should be temporary. As learners gain confidence, we fade the support, allowing independence to grow. That's what distinguishes scaffolding from just helping. It's strategic, structured, and sensitive to the learner's readiness. Vygotsky also emphasized that learning is social. That means the ZPD isn't just about teacher support, it includes peer interaction, collaborative tasks, and negotiation of meaning. When learners co-construct meaning, for instance in pair work, group debates, or collaborative writing, they're often working within each other's ZPDs. So the next time you're planning a lesson, ask, am I pitching this task within my student's ZPD? Am I giving them just enough support but not too much? And am I building in moments where that support can be reduced? Because that's where learning lies. Not at the edge of failure and not in the comfort zone, but in that productive middle ground. Thank you.